Yeah, any question that you ask, and this is specific to a landing page, everybody, every question that you ask should almost answer itself, right? It should start them down the thinking process. So a lot of times it's a difference between saying first name and my first name is. Like you almost complete that in your head without thinking. My first name is Chris. Oh, let me write it. You see what I'm saying?
I got you.
Right? So if we ask our question, what the best email to send this information to, or the best email to whatever, right? And it's just like, okay, what's my best email? Because you have to really guide them. Because there's so many questions and so many things they're thinking, oh, should I use my work email because I'm at work looking? Maybe I use my home email, but maybe I should. No. It's just like, which email do you check at 6 p.m.? Right? Like that level of specificity will really open it up. You're like, oh yeah, check this. You see what I'm saying? So the question,
Wow.
how
I
you
like that.
frame it, right? So how you frame the question is also going to lead into their probability of filling out that information with the most accurate information too, because that's the thing, right? Sometimes I could be interested in what you have and I'll just put faulty information in there just so I can get it real quick.
To
I
get
want
it.
you to give me the good stuff because I got good stuff for you.